I'm back. So yes, today we will be playing some Slime Rancher. Just got this, so let's start a new game. I'll just name it whatever, like, just hi. Where are... I want this guy. Okay, confirm. Okay, so we're gonna play some Slime Rancher. So guys, I might be doing some more videos on this. Leave a like and stuff about, yeah. Only hold 10, I think, is max. There are these guys. Nice, nice. Do that. Here's a port. Smack that into there. Alright, let's go find some more slimes. There's a ton of them. I'll snag some fruit. Pogo fruit. You know, it'd be nice to have some, what's it called? Yeah, so this. Carrots. We can grow those, so that would be nice. That guy, we want to feed him. Okay, so here we go. We got some tabbies. I'm not gonna actually grab them. I'm gonna grab the rock dudes. Rock dude, rock slimes, whatever you want to call them. You can't pick that up. That's right. So what else is there? I know back here there's a guy. Oh, I need you. Alright, let's take 6 dudes and then get another one down, and then hopefully I'm gonna feed the other guys so they can, what's it called? So I can make money. Okay, so yeah, 20 I can only hold. Rocky dude. I don't know if I should grab any tabbies, the cat ones kind of, because like they eat meat and I don't really find meat, so probably not the best. I do not want to go into my house right now. Pink slimes. Get those down. So they like veggie. That's a fruit. Okay, so they'll stack when they're hungry. Toss fruit in for them. So I only make 22 from that port. I honestly don't care if I suck them up right now. got carrots. Oh, don't mind that. That's just, that was stupid. I don't know why that happened. You guys eat veggies. There you guys go. You guys eat that. Chicken. You guys eat chickens. That's right. Well, you guys eat anything. That's for sure. Jetpack. 350. Okay. We should probably. What's this? Snag that. Snag that. Snag that. Get you guys in there. So, now we have 3. Snag that in there. Do you guys got any? Yes, you guys do. You guys have 1. So it's for like $2, right? 13. Okay, so that's 250. Let me shoot. So, carrots. Carrots. So we need carrots and something else. One other. You know what? I'm gonna save these carrots because I have an idea. That one put it. Carrots. Sorry, buddy. That dude, I need to feed him. Oh no. So, okay. Snag the fruit here. These guys eat a lot. It's like insane. Really, you kind of know when they're like full because they just start shaking because they're full. So I'm really just looking for food. Tons of it. Okay, so I only have 2 poker fruit. I'm looking for some more food, like chicken and all that stuff. So I'm pretty sure there's chicken over here. Yeah, one of them just ate it. Okay, so we need this. We need to keep this. We cannot give it away. Okay, so this is good. This is good. I will give him 3. I meant 2 because we only need 1 chicken. Nope. Chicken. Gotta leave for like 2 seconds and then they're just all here. Okay, here's the bridge to get down there. Chicken. Okay, hopefully this is enough. There we go. I don't want that stuff. Nope, 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 nope. I don't want the pink slime, so I'm just gonna take them and just take them off there. Okay. Coins. Heartbeat. Okay, so I do need heartbeats. I know that. Stony hen. I really don't need the hen, so. But we got what I do need. Heartbeat and cube berry. Because those rocky dudes eat. What? It just disappeared. It's disappeared on me. Okay. Because the rocky dudes eat heartbeats and then the pink dudes eat anything, so it's really nice to have this stuff. Just run through, pick it up, stuff. Oh, we can get pogo fruit. These guys are hard to get, so we want to keep these. They only come out at night, so if we can go any faster, that'd be nice. Yeah, see, okay. So heartbeat, we need to put down a, what's it called? Garden, which is 250. Shoot the Q-berry in. You guys eat Q-berries, so okay, let me pick up one pogo fruit, so then I can just pick up all the plorts. Okay. Pogo fruit we don't need at all, so because we can find that everywhere. You guys like heartbeats, so I need to get more plorts. You guys eat hens. I guess I can do the little thing. Star mail, yep. So sleep twice. Snag my star mail. Go there. Still have all these guys, but I also have all this food. So I can only hold 20. So Q-berries. Oh god, no. We need higher walls. Okay, I'm just gonna hold the rock dudes until I get higher walls. I am going to snag one Q-berry. Oh, no. I have a plort. I only need plorts. Once we get enough plorts, we should, we should be able to get higher walls. So that means the rock dudes can't escape. Which we 100% can. What's this one for 15 more? Okay, so we do have a key. Go here, add higher walls. So now we can put these guys in. Now we need even more. Yeah. You guys like veggies. This is fruit. Guys. I don't want to give you guys one heartbeat because I don't want to. Because, like, I don't want to have to lose it because I want to plant it. What if I take this, shoot them 2 more? No, you guys are good. Okay, so let's head out of here, go find more plorts, random plorts, and then steal those. Feed them to these guys. Grab plorts. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely good to have random okay, did not see that there. We can take this because crates can have some good stuff like that. See, that. Don't you even think about it. And it's fine. We plant them, so we got 2 heartbeats, so that's nice. Can do that. I'll shoot them. 1 carrot. So heartbeats are their favorite, I'm pretty sure. Plort. I am gonna snag this dude and shoot him into there. Because we could use them. Once I start getting other characters, like, not characters, other guys, then I'm not really gonna use them. Take the pink guys, I'm probably just gonna shoot them out. Because I'm not really gonna need them. Dash boots, that's what I need. I need, like, upgrades. What are dash boots? How much? 350. 350, 350. So we have to save up a lot. How much is water in here? Sprinkler 500. So we need to get 1,000. So let's go here. Check my star mail. Okay, so we're going to return to the ranch. We may need to upgrade this. Heartbeats. Hopefully this is, yep, nope. I was gonna say just enough, but I need to get higher walls for these dudes. Okay. No, we need something else. Let's take one of these. Okay. I'm gonna snag all these ports, or whatever you guys want to call them. Do that. Oh, I didn't grab them all. There we go. And go into here. Yeah, see, because I'm pretty sure heartbeats are their favorite, so that's why I get... Oh, I can't carry anymore. No, 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 no. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? God, I need these guys. I do not want to lose them. Pretty sure I just lost one, though. I can't carry those anymore. Okay, so those are selling for 35. So we should, I'm saying we should have enough. Let's grab one of you. Ow, ow, ow. Can you guys stop killing me? Like, this is very hard. Okay, so we got the rock ports. We started selling for 35. Okay. Go here. Buy the sprinkler. Okay, so we have 400 left over. So let's pick up this. Do we have enough for higher walls? Higher walls, 350. Tossing that. Okay, so now we have higher walls. Okay, so now we want to save up for the port collector, which is 500. So that means I won't have to go in and pick them all up. And I think I'll buy it for the rock dudes since they're more. Snag these. Q-berries in. Heartbeats. Okay. Now let's grab. This is hard. Grab one of you. Try to snag the port. Yes? Try to snag the port. Nope. Snag the port. Okay. So now I can only grab ports. A certain type of port. I think that's all of their ports. How about you guys? You guys are happy as can be. Oh, so close to 500. Ooh, we have 2 rock slimes. That's not good. You guys are hungry, I can tell. Come on. No? Port. Shoot you. Okay. Should bring us close. They're selling for 12 now. Alright, so let's go to sleep twice. Okay. Alright, so we went to sleep twice, so they're gonna be hungry. Which is good, because I have this whole farm of food for them. Right? Just gonna shoot the 20 in for them. Now, here's the hard part. Pew. Oh, I can't. Awesome, can't carry anymore. I will definitely be able to get the thing now, so I need to get Bolt, yeah, okay, so that's nice. So now I can head here, buy the port collector, head over here, buy the port collector. Okay, so now this will collect it all for me. Nope. I know one of you guys just ate something. And one of you just ate something again. Okay, so I'll just let this run through the day. So how much is the soil? 350. Okay, so I'm close, but not there. Okay. 350. Okay. So now if I sleep twice, I will have enough for that. But we also do need to upgrade. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Okay, pulse wave, jetpack, dash boots, tank booster. So I think we're just gonna sleep twice. Grab the food, feed them, put the ports in the thing, and I think that's where we're going to end the video. Yeah, see, look at all this. I'm not even gonna have it, yeah. Yep. Yep. So I don't know. see, we are gonna have to go back, collect the rest of them, and then yeah. Okay, this is gonna be the last one. Level up, and then... Oh, nah, I'm gonna level up, grab the rest of them as much as I can. Okay, so I'm pretty sure now we can hold, what's it called, 30. Yeah, so we can... So we can hold up to 30 now. So that's nice. Okay, so I need like... I need legit one plort. Come on, one plort, one plort, one plort. Ow. Okay. Well, I guess this is where we're gonna end the video. Oop, never mind. These guys are eating. Okay. Where is Dash Boots? Oh, we bought Dash Boots. I guess we'll buy the jetpack. So now we can fly. So now we can just do this. We need water tank, pulse wave, and heart. Okay, guys. So this is where we're gonna end the video.